Want to know how to complete lessons in Buddy AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Buddy AI game, and once you've opened it up, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this rocket icon right here. This is the learning levels. So you can just simply select that. Now, clearing out your level is super simple. You can just simply select any level that you want. I'm just going to select this one right here. And now it should give you a proper level and test. So I'm just going to clear this out real quick. So as you can see right here, your level should be cleared just like this, and you should be getting reward that you can claim. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.